Oh, it's a box.
The big old box.
That's it.
Open it. Open it. Open it.
No, you know what we
you're
sing?
gonna have to help him.
We sing, I don't know what is it, what is it, what is it, I don't know what is it, in the box. Do y'all sing that every Christmas morning when you go to Ernesto's or no?
No, we don't.
No. I'm so glad that it can be passed on to another generation.
Where are your scissors?
They
Right
sang
there
it
by the
last night
fridge.
many times.
Really?
Dixie, get him.
Did you already do Christmas with
Yeah,
them?
last night.
What'd you get from them?
My dad gave me a gift card and Old Lady like a sweater.
All right,
and
Drew, you
jewelry.
ready?
Yeah. Nice.
Nice. Be nice.
Who's this to?
Oh, Drew, you don't even know what's in it yet. It's just a giant box. What is
Lay it
in
down,
it?
okay?
Oh, I hope it's a puppy.
The girl. So you and
Oh, I
Karen
hear
got
some barking.
together.
I don't have any more presents.
Oh, it's another box, Drew.
Another box.
You're getting
It's a box of boxes.
Maybe it's a snake.
No.
Everybody clear out.
What is it? What is it?
Oh, it's another box, Drew.
What does that say?
Hold that, bud.
What is it? We don't know.
Quack, quack.
What is it?
Annabelle, why don't you focus on what you have right here, and I'll worry about
This is
it.
another box.
Oh, Drew, what is it? Such
Let's
a
wait
surprise.
till we find out what Drew has.
Well, we got a fireplace.
Hey, Drew.
I don't have any
This is Claire's. Doggies, really now.
Drew, what is
Claire,
it?
this is yours.
Is
Let's
it a
wait.
rocket?
This is for Uncle John.
Is it a I think it's a rocket. I think it's a rocket
Scooter.
to strap Lucy to send her in
Who
outer
is this
space.
from, Drew?
It's from Papa.
From Papa?
Papa got it special for you.
Thanks, Papa.
You're welcome.
Look, it's a telescope. It's a telescope.
No way.
No way. It's not a telescope.
It's a telescope.
Is it like
a telescope?
a real telescope?
Yeah.
Like
Oh,
one an
Drew.
astronomer would use?
Whoa.
It's nice so I can look up at the stars.
Is it really a real telescope?
Whoa, be very careful with it.
Whoa.
There's a lot of pieces to it.
That is a for real telescope.
I wanna
And you'll be able to look at.
Not yet. Whoa.
Thank you.
Wow.
Caroline's
So, Papa,
turn
thank
again. Caroline's turn again.
No, ma'am.
It's Caroline's turn again. Come over here. Go with Barbara.
I see you.
Barbara, thank you, Barbara. Barbara, your turn.
Now, don't turn that. Papa will show you how to use it, okay?
Now, Papa, are you going to show him how to use that?
He's on his own.
No.
It's a
It's
do-it-yourself.
Barbara's turn.
Look, Drew, it's got a
Oh,
tripod
there's
that you
the-
put it on. Careful, bud, careful.
White one?
This is that